Hey guys! Okay, so I need to show you something. This is crazy. I need to show you guys outside. Look outside. Look at that snow. That is crazy high. Oh my goodness. You see all that snow, guys? This is awesome. Look at that huge hill. I need to poke this out the window for someone, guys. Look at that hill of snow. We had a blizzard yesterday, guys. Hey! Look at the snow. Oh, just stopped. We were outside earlier, and it's awesome and beautiful. Totally. So today is January. Today's January 23rd or 24th, and it's a Sunday. It's cold, and it is. I want to show you guys something. So outside, this is how it looks. Look how high the snow is, guys. That's how it looks outside. We literally had a snowstorm last night and yesterday, and that snow is very high. Oh, and shout outs to Ariana Wells, because she's one of my friends. Don't judge. Yeah, so yeah, shout outs to you, girl, if you're watching this, Ariana Wells. Okay. Anyway, this snowstorm's crazy. I mean, it was, but now it's a clear sky, beautiful day with a lot of snow. And we were outside earlier and yesterday. We were playing in the snow yesterday. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of short, but otherwise, it's cold, but pretty nice day. We have plastic on the wall, and you can still see outside probably. Not from probably that view, but my viewing, I can see it. It's cold. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, today is it's Sunday, January 23rd, 24th at 3:34 p.m. Love you guys. Bye.